Introducing Swann state-of-the-art, easy-to-use 4K Ultra HD thermal sensing security camera systems. Enjoy peace of mind wherever you are 24/7 with the Ultra HD security system installed in your home or business. Seeing is believing with 4K Ultra high-definition cameras offering breathtaking quality with 4 times the resolution of 1080p cameras. The Ultra HD resolution lets you zoom in to discern important details which are essential for evidence, such as faces and license plates. The camera's TrueDetect PIR thermal sensors detect heat and movement of large objects, such as people, cars, and large pets. Thermal sensing detects events that are more relevant to security. You'll experience more reliable detection and reduce false triggers from wind, trees, and birds. Get push notifications on your smartphone when activity is detected, so you can act immediately and potentially prevent crime. It's peace of mind taken to a new level. Thermal detection also conserves space on your DVR's hard drive, helping save space for the activity you really want to see. It's set and forget security for longer. It even has night vision up to 150 feet, 45 meters in total darkness, or 200 feet, 60 meters with ambient light, so you'll know what's happening anytime, day or night. Set and forget recording onto a massive hard drive with easy retrieval of incident video via USB port onto a memory stick, network, or your mobile device's memory using the HomeSafe View app. Have extra peace of mind by uploading still images into the cloud when you link your DVR to your personal Dropbox account. So even if your DVR gets stolen, you'll still have image evidence off-site. To control what you see, use voice commands via Google Assistant and Chromecast. To see video from cameras on your TV,
Hey Google, show me the front door.
Okay, starting the stream.
view live or playback video in high definition on your HD TV, LCD screen, or monitor via HDMI connection or VGA port. While you're out and about, view live or recorded video in the palm of your hand with 3G, 4G enabled mobile devices using the free HomeSafe View app. Safeguard loved ones, protect property, see if a package has been delivered, and make sure pets and loved ones are all okay. 4K cameras feature superior image clarity. 4K is 4 times better than 1080p and 1.7 times better than 5 megapixel. Swann's cutting-edge 4K Ultra HD thermal sensing security system. It's from Swann, the world's #1 name in security made smarter.